Hello everybody. You're looking right now at our lower rice fields right above the pond. Right there. And where we've got our peppers and some tomatoes planted. The last time you saw this area, there were piles of debris here and bags and everything, and we've been sweeping and cleaning up and doing the finishing work. I always come through, there's little across the road. I generally wait till the help is all done working, and then I'll go down and go through it again. I'm a little picky, so I'll sometimes rake it again and that, because I like the real fine stuff. Really works good in the compost piles and that, and do that in what I call kind of the finishing job. I raked down the road here completely once again today, and probably picked up a couple more bags, but yeah, sure looks nice and clean, and probably the best it's looked almost probably since we've been here and that. So it's been well worth the effort, but we're all tired. I gotta admit, and that sometimes boy, it just feels so good to hit the sack at night. And boy, I've been sleeping like a baby, so I can tell that I've been doing a lot of physical work, and my age is kind of showing, but I'm just so happy I'm even able to do what I do at this age. So, and as you can see, our peppers and tomatoes, and coming into our bean fields here again, walking up by the well here, and along the roadway. And I think we, like I said, I think today was the final raking, and I think we got her pretty good, pretty clean. And that few days there'll still be more leaves falling and everything else. That happens all year long here, so it's kind of hard to keep up. And looking down, yep. And of course our well here, that fortunately for December and January we've had water in it. Usually we have water in it about 6 months out of the year, and dry for 6 months. This year it was closer to 10 months that it was dry, and that it's been like I said, last year 2017 it rained all year. 2018 we're in a drought most of the year. So what 2019 will bring, I really haven't got a clue. I'm hoping for more rain than we got in 2018, and maybe a little less rain than we got in 2017, but we'll have to see. Living on a group of islands here, it's amazing how much the weather does change from year to year. So I'm going to head up the path here. Come on, little! Come on! I like to call her and get her off the main road there and that, because some of the people fly by here pretty fast and that. So walk back up towards the house, grab some lunch, and probably back at it again. And you can see what's left of our huge pile there that we burnt. We've thrown a little bit more on it this morning and that, and start the whole process over again. So appreciate all the viewers out there. Thank you very much for viewing our videos. The internet's been really sketchy lately. Sometimes it's so good I can't believe it, and an hour later it's so bad that you can't do nothing. So it's been kind of that roller coaster ride the last few days. So I'm going to let you all go. Pan around here, look down the driveway. Yeah, Little just headed over towards the coffee trees down there. And we'll say goodbye for now, and everybody have a good day, and God bless you all.